This is a wake-up call to our country, Nigeria. We place so much priority on curative medicine. We are so concerned on how we can bring drugs to treat some certain diseases. We are never concerned. Our system have not prioritized the preventive medicine or the preventive health. And that is why now that the US have withdrawn her humanitarian aid, so many countries have been threatening. In fact, Nigeria, everybody is talking about how the life will be, especially for people living with some chronic diseases like HIV and AIDS, cancer, even some common diseases that we can prevent, such as malaria. We are so concerned about the name mosquito nets and other things that are being distributed to prevent this disease. This is actually a wake-up call. The country needs to prioritize our preventive health. This is the time in which we should wake up and prevent disease. As we always preach in public health, prevention is cheaper and better than cure. So instead of you to be concerned or to be threatened by the medication that will no longer be available at an affordable rate, we should focus on how we can prevent this disease through adequate advocacy. Let's place priority on our environment, especially when it has to do with malaria. You know that malaria can be prevented with simple environmental sanitation. And also, we should advocate for good health. Let's prioritize public health. Let's prioritize preventive medicine. How do the public become aware on how they can prevent themselves from some certain infectious diseases? This is where we need to focus now. Instead of being worried about the money that won't be coming again, let us go for advocacy. Let us prioritize our preventive health, because that is the only way forward for our dear country. Our leaders, this is a wake-up call. Do not just sit down and lament, but make sure you do the right thing. Remember, a country can only move forward and be productive when her citizens are healthy.